Hi folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and today in this episode we are going to be drawing a circle equal in area to the sum of two given circles. So the first thing to do is to draw AB equal to the diameter of one of the given circles and BC equal in diameter to the other circle. So let's assume you have the first diameter of the circle as let's say we have the first diameter as 5 centimeter and the second diameter as 4. So I'll draw AB equal to the diameter to one of the circles. This will be AB here. So from this AB, 4 centimeter diameter. Then I'll also draw perpendicular to AB. I'll draw BD. I'll draw BC rather. So BC will be the diagonal, the diameter of the other circle, and let's make it 3. 1, 2, 3. So 4 and 3. So now the next step is this is the you label it A, B, and C. And the next step is basically you draw a line from C to A. So let's draw a line from C to A. Then here we have CA. Now finally you bisect the CA to get the center of the circle. Now this CA is the diameter of the new circle, which area is equal to the sum of the circle of the initial two circles. So I'll just bisect this and I'll get the center of the required circle. So having bisected this, we have this. So next step is bisect this. So this will be the center of the required circle. Now finally what we need to do is you just need to draw the circle. So all I'll do here is I'll draw the circle. So this required circle here. So this is a circle whose area is the sum of the two given circles. Thanks for watching.